Hello Loomers, haven't talked to you in a while. Well anyway, I'm back with my KRPR. It is short for knit return, pass return. It's a really obscure needle knitting stitch that I just recently found the name for. I had been using it on the loom, not knowing what it was called. Here are some examples. This is a little swatch I made using the KRPR and the PSSO, which are opposites of one another, exactly opposites. And this is using the E-wrap yarn over in between the stitches. And here is the same thing, but using the yarn over where you just put the yarn in front of the peg and don't E-wrap it. And I love the effect of that. And then once I got those techniques down, I made myself a leaf. I love my leaf. It's very leafy and very green. And I've been afraid to make any lace since then because this was so awesome. I'm afraid I can only go downhill from there. So I just made this today. This doesn't use the PSSO. This only uses the KRPR. And it's this section right here. And I would love to show you how to do that. So here we go. Now the way to remember the difference between the KRPR and the PSSO is KRPR stands for knit return, pass return, and that return means that it makes the angle return back to the way you're coming from. And the PSSO makes it angle in the direction you're going. So we're starting from this side, and as you see, we're going to make the knits angle back to this side where we're coming from. And to do that, you always knit peg 1 first. So we're going to do a true knit on peg 1, take it off, put it on peg 2, knit over, and then return it to peg 1. So let's show you again from the front. We do the true knit, take it off peg 1, come on, put it on peg 2, knit over, put it back on peg 1, and then one more time, hopefully holding more still this time. True knit on peg 1, and not gonna work. Put it on peg 2, knit it over, put it back on peg 1. So that was the KRPR. So what I'm going to do to return for all those yarn overs in the front, here, here, and here, I'm going to have to E-wrap the next row in order to set them in place. So for those ones, I'm going to E-wrap, U-wrap, E-wrap, U-wrap, E-wrap, U-wrap. Okay. So now this is our yarn over here, and this is a knit. So we're just going to knit this. Just a little U-knit. And then we're going to start our KRPR on the yarn over part. Always start it on the yarn over if you want to make a nice even line going to the side. So let's knit over these two. Do a U-knit here. I'm sorry, true knit. Put it on the second peg. Knit over. And there we go. One more time. True knit. Remove from peg 1, put it on peg 2. Knit over, return it to peg 1. Get over you. Okay. Now, if you want to make a pattern similar to this that I just knocked out, every time you go back, also you might want to have some garter rows on the sides and the end like I did. Now as you see, this is a knit, this is a yarn over. So we're going to go U-wrap, E-wrap, U-wrap, E-wrap, U-wrap. And here, we don't have any more yarn overs, it's just knit because this is the one that stayed knitted before. And it's going to be knit from now on. E-wrap. Okay, so this is our first yarn over. So this is where you would start next time. Now each row, this peg is going to move over, and the E-wraps here, and the E-wraps will grow. Just like this. It's gonna grow to the side and grow taller and make that little triangle shape. All right. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you again soon.